People couldn't believe what this girl found inside of her coffee machine after opening it.
Some people might think this is crazy, but we have had this coffee maker for 4 years, probably 3 years. I clean it regularly. I run water through here. I'm always cleaning these two things out, but up underneath here looks kind of nasty. And I think that some of that is coffee, but I want to see what the heck the inside of this looks like.
What the heck are you doing?
I'm trying to open this up and see if we've been drinking mold.
And after taking apart almost the entire machine, what they found inside left them both speechless.
Okay, here we go. Here we go now. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Bruh.
Oh my gosh. Do you see inside?
That's something out of a nightmare.
That is so disgusting. That's mold.
They've been drinking mold this entire time.